Hello everyone, welcome to next lecture on mathematics. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the easy method to separate this term. As you know, if you want to separate this term, then we use the partial fraction method. In partial fraction we write a upon first factor, b upon second factor, c upon third factor. And please note down, if we are applying this method if this factor is in linear form, that is power of x is 1 and all the factors are distinct, then we use 1 upon this term, a upon first factor, b upon second and c upon third. But if instead of this term it is quadratic, then we have to write a bx, that is the different method. But if we want to separate this term and we apply the partial fraction method, then we need to cross multiply and then find the value of ab and put the value of x equals to 1, and that's a very long process. To avoid this big calculation, I am going to discuss the easy method to find the value of a, b, c. See, here we want to first find the value of a, then we have to check the denominator. Here denominator of a is x minus 1. We have to focus on denominator and find out the value of x when it is 0. That means we have to take this denominator is equals to 0. If x equals to 1, for x equals to 1 we get denominator equals to 0. So we have to put this value of x equals to 1 in the left hand side except this bracket, because we know at x equals to 1 this bracket is 0, that means we get infinity. So we have to put x equals to 1 in complete term except this one. मतलब हमें सिर्फ देखना है कि a के डिवीजन में क्या है, उस टर्म को छोड़ के बाकी पूरी टर्म, यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में 1 है, इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 यहाँ पे एनी फंक्शन ऑफ x भी रह सकता है. तो आपको पूरे टर्म में x इक्वल्स टू 1 पुट करना है एक्सेप्ट जो a के डिनोमिनेटर में टर्म बैठी है उसको छोड़ के. तो इफ़ वी पुट x इक्वल्स टू 1 इन दिस टर्म, देन वी गेट 1 अपॉन, here x is 1, that is minus 1, into x is 1, then we get minus 2, that means here we get 1 upon 2. तो ये होगी वैल्यू a की, है ना. सिंपल. सिमिलर वे we can find the value of b. Here denominator of b is x minus 2, so again we have to take equals to 0, then we get x equals to 2. Put this value x equals to 2 in this term except x minus 2. If we put x equals to 2 in this term, then here 2 minus 1, that is 1, and here 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so the value is minus 1, it is the value of b. And for c, we have to take this denominator equals to 0, that is x equals to 3. So put x equals to 3 in this first and second term, then we get here x equals to 3, that means we get 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2, then 3 minus 2, 1, so it is 1 by 2 value of c. That means this term, suppose we take this term is s equals to, then we get s equals to a, then we get s equals to a is our 1 by 2, x minus 1, then next term is b, that is minus 1, x minus 2, plus c is 1 by 2, x minus 3. ये हो जाएगा हमारा टर्म सेपरेट. अब ये टर्म सेपरेट करेक्ट है कि नहीं आप लोग ट्राई करके देखो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके, तो ये करेक्ट आंसर है. और इसका एप्लीकेशन, इफ़ वी आर you know that in the Laplace transformation we need to solve the Laplace, then that time we have to separate the term. In complex analysis also we need to separate the term for integration, and in the successive differentiation, that is any time we have to differentiate any term, and that time also we want to separate the term. So the application of this term is very large. You can use this simple trick to solve big problems. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.